guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again. I'm here with a very quick Walgreens video. The first deal I picked up is on whole blends. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2 you get back $4 register reward. I picked up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner for $8, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 5, and I'll get $4 register reward back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. This is my receipt and it worked out as planned. My 3 off 2 came off. I redeemed $5 Walgreen cash and paid just the tax and got back $4 register reward. The next transaction I'm going to do will be on Garnier Fructis. This deal is the same as the whole blend. You can do both deals, but you have to do them in separate transaction. That way you can get to $4 register reward. I'll pick up 2 of the glossing spray. They're on sale for 2 for $8. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 5, and I'll get $4 register reward back, making both $1 or 50 cents each. This deal worked out. The 3 off 2 came off, dropping it down to $5, and I redeemed $5 Walgreen cash and I paid just tax, and I also got back $4 register reward. I found so many clearance snacks today at my store, so make sure you're checking your store. Hopefully you have some. And the first one I picked up will be the original family size Chip Ahoy. They're on clearance for $1.29, and I also found the chewy kind on clearance for $1.99. And the next one I picked up will be the family size Oreo cookie on clearance for $2.29. I picked up 2, and we have a store coupon that will take off $1 on each one, and that will end up making it just $1.29 each. And the next one will be the Black Forest gummy worms on clearance for $1, and I also found the Nice brand chocolate chip mini cookie bites on clearance for 49 cents each. The last 2 items I picked up is the Nice brand chocolate chip cookies on clearance for 49 cents. And this is my receipt, and you can see with the Oreo cookie, you can see where the store coupon came off and took off $2. The total for all the snacks I picked up is $10.11. I paid extra 10 cents just for the shopping bag fee. I redeemed $10 Walgreen cash and paid just 21 cents out of pocket. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.